Behind these steel walls, a vast industrial operation begins its day. Every shift starts with routine, structure, and purpose. Machines come alive, filling the space with steady mechanical sound. The factory moves in a controlled and continuous rhythm. Before production, planning and design take shape. Ideas are reviewed, refined, and prepared for the floor below. Assembly areas demand focus and consistency. Each unit is handled with attention and care. Inside the laboratory, controlled environments support evaluation and testing. Precision and standards guide every decision here.
We need to adjust the tolerances on the gas block here.
As production advances, finishing stages bring everything together. Final checks ensure each result meets expectations. Packaging and logistics follow a structured flow. Organization keeps the system moving forward. Even brief pauses are part of the working cycle. Safety, coordination, and oversight remain constant.
Check the alignment on the next batch. Yes, supervisor, right away.
As hours pass, the factory maintains its steady pace. Day shifts transition quietly into night operations. Completed work is prepared for the next stage beyond these walls. Movement and coordination define the final moments of production. Gradually, activity slows and machines power down. Another workday reaches its end. The factory stands silent under the night sky. A cycle completed, ready to begin again.